Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Accessibility Insights for Web in Chrome or Edge and opening the page you want to test. Once done, disable caching and reproduce the most common user flows so results reflect real use. Next, run FastPass to surface immediate, high-impact failures. This gives you a baseline to prioritize fixes. While FastPass runs, note interactive elements and dynamic content that may need deeper inspection. You're taking action now to convert vague concerns into concrete issues to fix. You proceed with the assessment walkthrough to validate semantics, accessible names, and keyboard focus order. This step explains why each item matters for users. Then, check color contrast ratios, keyboard operability, and area patterns. Fix incorrect roles or redundant attributes as you find them. Make sure to capture reproducible steps for each failure and group issues by severity and affected component so fixes are efficient. This organized approach prevents backtracking and keeps developers focused on the highest impact. You finish by verifying fixes, rerun FastPass, and the full assessment to confirm issues no longer appear. Use ad hoc tools, tab stops to confirm keyboard flow, color analyzer for contrast, and automation snapshots to compare before and after states. If failures persist, isolate the component and test it in a minimal page to rule out environmental causes. This helps identify cascading CSS or script interactions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear caches and disable extensions that alter DOM when results look inconsistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.